Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to see the topic satellite. The word satellite means an attendant body to anything. Right? A satellite is a celestial body that revolve around the planets. Satellites are also called moons. Okay. Attendant means those who are attending to anything, not only for planet but anything also. Means somebody to help you or somebody who's going to stay with you. So a satellite, it is a body that revolve around the planet, like the planets are revolving around the sun and satellites are revolving around the planets. They are called the moons. Satellites are generally smaller bodies than the planets. As compared to planet, they are smaller ones. However, one of Jupiter's satellite called Ganymede is the largest satellite in the solar system. Right? So Jupiter's satellite is the largest one. It is larger than Mercury. Means Mercury is a planet, but a satellite of Jupiter is larger than the planet also. Like planets, satellites also shine by reflecting the light of the sun. Okay. They are shining by the reflecting light of the sun. Satellite may also be man-made artificial ones, such as India's INSET satellite. Okay. The moon, which is revolving around the planet, they are the natural satellite, right? So man-made satellites are also there. They are called artificial satellites, like INSET satellite and many other satellites which are being kept on the space to give us so many details, right? Now next one is moon. The Earth's only natural satellite is called the moon. It is 3,84,400 km away from the Earth. Right? Means Earth, it is revolving around the Earth and it is 3,84,400 km away from Earth. Its diameter is only 1/4 of the Earth. Sunlight reflected by the moon reaches the Earth in a mere 1¼ second. That much time only it is reaching the Earth. The moon also rotates on its axis. Like Earth is going to rotate on its axis, in the same manner moon is also rotating. It completes one spin in about 27 days and 8 hours. Moon is going to complete one spin. The moon takes exactly the same time to complete one revolution around the Earth. Right? Now, the rotation and revolution being of same duration. Only one side of the moon is visible to us on the Earth. On Earth, we are going to see only one side of the moon because the rotation and revolution is being on the same duration. Moon is the 6th largest satellite in the space. Our moon, in Earth's moon, is the 6th largest satellite in the space already available. The largest satellite in the solar system is the Jupiter's moon, that is Ganymede and Callisto. Saturn's Titan and Neptune's Triton, they are the largest satellite in the solar system. Okay, now we are going to stop the topic. In the next class, we are going to continue with moon only, right?